This is the water behaviour before the ceramic coating, and we're using the rear window just so that you can see it because it's got more natural fall. Yeah. What we're going to do is glass clean it first, because you need to make sure that you're applying it to a clean area. What we're going to do now is we're going to apply the coating to half of the glass and then show you the 50-50 difference. It's really easy to use. You just get your pipette, pour it on. One pipette should do the whole window in fairness, and then really simple, just start working it in, and we'll just work up to that line and we'll finish the rest off later. And that's it applied. Now we wait 5 to 10 minutes and then we buff it off. Curing time does vary depending on how hot it is outside, so we'll come back in 10 because it's cold. So we'll give the coating 10 minutes, now we're going to buff it off and we'll show you a 50-50 of how it actually works without moving. So the water on this side is beading a lot better, and the water on this side is still sticking to the window. Now we reckon at about 30 miles an hour, if this was on the front screen, you wouldn't need to use your wipers, and this coating will last 12 months. So all in all, really easy to do. You can use it at home, amateur or professional. Brilliant.